We're back, and today we're gonna be making the mushroom thing. You know, the thing. I need scissors, so one sec. Alright, got my scissors, and let's open this thingy up. Alright, so there it is. It's wood. It's wood and this other whole stuff. I think rice. So I'm gonna get like 6 cups of this, I think, and put it into the bucket. Alright, so we got about 6 cups in there. We're gonna go fill it up with water now. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with this bag. Alright, now we need about 1 liter of water. It says to use hot water, so that'll just be easier to mix up in my bucket. I'm gonna wait for that to get hot. That's 1. 2. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to mix this up, so I'm probably just gonna use my hands, because I don't really know what to mix it with other than my hands. So yeah. Alright, that's pretty mixed up now. There it is. So now I'm just going to start putting it in the bag. Alright, I got it in the bag, and now it's just time to sterilize it. So that'll be next. I hope it's right. I mean, it looks pretty good. So. Alright, so we finally have some growth there on the first batch. I thought it was contaminated, but no, that's normal. That's what I read, so hopefully we got some coming out soon. I just chopped the head off, because we got a few little pins right there. I don't know if I did it early, but I think we're good. And then they should start popping up right out of the top. There it is. All right. So it's been, I don't know how long it's been, probably a month maybe. But there they are. They're not as yellow as I hoped. But that's because I didn't really grow them in any light. See, there's no light in here. That thing's dead, but so yeah. I'm gonna cut them off and put them in a thingy. So one sec. All right, so here they are, out in the out of the room. Some are dead on the bottom there, but these ones they're pretty freaking big, dude. Those are huge. They say they smell like watermelon, so. I mean, I can't really smell anything, to be honest, other than mushroom. But yeah, there they are. So I grew these from the little thing. They're very delicate.